Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix error messages such as the recycle bin on X is corrupted. Do you want to import the recycle bin for this drive? If you are getting such an error on Windows 11 while importing recycle bin, then this video will help you. To fix this issue, first click on this one start button and then type cmd. Then in the command prompt, then in the search results, right click on this one command prompt tab and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Now, cop now you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description, and after that press enter on the keyboard. This will erase recycle bin folder for a specific drive and create a fresh recycle bin folder, and then this issue will be fixed. In case you have more drive, suppose you have a drive C, D, E, etc., you need to repeat this command one for each drive. For D, you need to replace this one command from D, and for E, you need to replace this command for E. Like this, after replacing this one drive path, press enter on the keyboard. This will delete old recycle bin folder and create a fresh new recycle bin folder, and this issue will not more appear on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.